Hi, my name is Richard Moses. I'm a non attorney. Have you or a loved one been hurt by any of the following? Dropshipping, Scamazon, POD, aka print on demand coffee cups and or t-shirts, private label product scams, crap on Chinese jewelry with custom inserts. If you answered yes to any or all of the previous questions, you are entitled to compensation in the form of our 5-day live affiliate marketing workshop starting June 6th. With the help of not one, but two six-figure earners in the affiliate marketing space, we will cover Day 1, uncovering the six-figure business hidden right inside your social media profile and setting yourself up for long-term success online. Day 2, over-the-shoulder business optimization, the key to having a wildly profitable yet simple online business. Day 3, the types of short-form video content you need to be creating to facilitate rapid growth and allow you to attract more people to what you're selling. That and so much more. So please visit don'tblowthischance.com to watch a quick video which will provide all of the pertinent information. Rich Moses is a non-attorney, non-spokesperson, unpaid non-actor. This offer is not valid anywhere this offer is not valid. This video is a joke, but the offer is dead serious and intended for those who wish to get involved with making money online, working from home, being able to spend more time with family, and having the ability to tell their boss or bosses to Yes, you will need to work hard. No, there is no such thing as an easy button, but your time will be your own, and yes, you can sleep in. Unless you have kids, in which case you're SOL. So again, stop by don'tblowthischance.com to check it out.